In the fast-paced world of hospitality, time is as important as the culinary offering or quality service. iNova is the solution that transforms the washing routine into an exceptional experience, from the most delicate glassware to the most durable crockery. The new generation from Fagor Professional adapts to all these needs thanks to innovative and powerful industry technology that ensures maximum return on your investment and total control. Choose from the concept range, simple and efficient, designed to offer everything a professional needs, no complications. The Concept Plus range, the perfect balance between design, performance and cost. And the Advance range, which combines the highest technical specifications with cutting-edge technology to achieve maximum energy efficiency and significant operational savings. Two types of construction are available in the under-counter models to suit different market needs. In the hood-type dishwashers, all models feature an embossed tank with no welds or sharp edges, making cleaning easier. The difference between ranges lies in the position of the control panel. As for iNova, it offers two control options. On the one hand, the concept range features backlit buttons for direct and intuitive operation. On the other hand, the Concept Plus and Advance ranges are equipped with a modern 2.8-inch backlit screen, designed to provide more visual and advanced user experience. Moreover, our iNova includes connectivity, a way to manage your equipment remotely. The arm, notable for its easy assembly and disassembly, features diffusers that spray precisely, achieving minimal water, electricity and chemical consumption. It also includes dual flow pumps with soft start, which prevent power loss and reduce noise. The new iNova range adapts to every need thanks to its innovative technology. Choose comfort, visibility and maximum control with iNova. Experience the evolution with iNova. iNova generation. Redefining the concept of cleanliness.